Hello, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your IP address and your MAC address using Command Prompt. First of all, I make my videos to the point, so please like my videos if you find them helpful and subscribe for more videos. Now to the topic. Just go next to the start and type CMD in search. You'll find Command Prompt. No need to open it as administrator, just simply open it. And here, if you just want to find the IP address, type in ipconfig and press enter. Here you can see the IPv4 address is 192.168.70.19, and we have the subnet mask as well. Now if we want to find the MAC address of this computer, we type ipconfig /all, and we will be able to find the physical address, which is the MAC address. Keep in mind that you have two physical addresses, one for the wireless and one for the wired Ethernet. So IPv4 is here, and default gateway, and your physical address, which will be different for wireless and your Ethernet connection. The commands are mentioned in the description below, so no need to worry about that. So that is about it, and thank you for watching.